Restarting your Xfinity TV box is one of the quickest ways to fix common problems, like freezing screens, missing channels, audio glitches, or slow menu navigation. Think of it as a system refresh. It clears temporary bugs, reconnects to the network, and helps the box boot up cleanly without deleting your settings or guide information. The only thing to watch for is DVR recordings. If a recording is in progress, restarting will interrupt it, so check first before you reboot. The fastest way to restart is with your Xfinity voice remote. Just press the microphone button and say, "Restart TV box." The system will handle the reset automatically. You can also use the Xfinity My Account app to send a restart signal remotely, which is helpful if you're not near the TV. If you prefer manual control, press the A button on your remote to open the Help menu and select Restart, or navigate through device settings in the main menu. For a physical reset, hold the power button on the front of the box for about 10 seconds, or unplug the power cord for 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in. If your box is stuck on the welcome screen, unplug it, check for service outages, and use the app to send a refresh signal.